Patrick at Pals, and I wanted to talk to you folks today a little bit about a phenomenon that we're seeing with old cars. This is a Mitsubishi 3000 GT. This car is now over 30 years old. It's a 91. This is 33 years old. This is a Cadillac Seville Bustleback, which is a 1984. Again, it's an antique. We've got an antique here, and we've got an antique here, but we really don't think about these cars as being vintage cars, but they are. This is a 91, this is an 84. Usually when we think about vintage cars, we think about this 56 Montclair. But times are changing, folks. This is a classic now, 1984 Cadillac. This is a classic, 1991 Mitsubishi 3000. You know, folks, if you've got a car that's 30 years old, it's a classic. Bring it to Pals. We love them here. See you soon.